Hey guys, so I literally found a new way on how to do crochet passion twists and make them look like they are individually installed. This technique is so fire and so bomb, y'all. Like, look at this. It looks so freaking good. I'm so excited. Y'all stay tuned. Keep on watching if you are interested to see exactly how I did these. So we are starting off with freshly washed blow-dried hair, and I'm sectioning off an area to start off the front of her hair. And I'm just sectioning off individual boxes because with this technique, you kind of have to go one by one to get that individual, passion twist look. So here I'm starting off with doing the plaiting off that section of hair in that box that I created. And then I'm going to take the crochet needle, stick it through the base of the plait, attach the passion twist, push it through, and then take that loop and put her real hair, the plait, through the loop and tighten it. So already you see that this looks like it's individually installed in me, right? So here I'm just going to go ahead and do a few more box braids before I do any more crocheting. I figured at this point it would be easier just to go ahead and do the individual plaits, and then I can go back and do the crochet in the passion twist. Because this is the first row of her hair, so I was just trying to speed up the process just a little bit. All right, and once I am done doing a few more plaits, I'm going to start crocheting in the hair again. All right, so take that crochet needle and stick it through the base of the plait. And then you're going to take the loop of the passion twist, hook it into the crochet needle, push it through, and again, pull the plait through the actual loop of the passion twist. So here you go, see me doing it again. I'll let you guys watch. And this is just the first step of making it look individual. Just stay tuned, you guys, so you can see exactly how, when I get to that second row, how I really, really, really finesse this look and make it look individually installed. So here we go. We're starting off with that the second row. All right, so we're going to section off another box, matching the first box that we made. This time, when you do the plait, you're going to connect the plaits from the first box in front of it, from the first row of her hair, with the current plait that you're plaiting. So you're basically connecting both of those together. So that first box plait that you made is now made into one with the second one, as you see here. So now we're going to do that same step we did before. We're going to put the crochet needle through the base of that plait, and then of course crochet in your passion twist hair. And remember, when you open up that loop, pull the natural hair, that plait, through the loop. Don't pull the passion twist through the loop. Pull the plait, the natural hair, through the loop, as you see me doing right here. And then boom, look at that. It looks like it's individually put in. With this way, you guys, I can't lie, I'm super duper obsessed with how this turns out. I will actually give credit to the girl who I saw on YouTube who did it this way. Once I tried it, I was like, oh yeah, she definitely came up with something that's very, very good. So here again, I'm showing you guys how I'm doing it a second time. So you see me connecting the first braid with the second braid, and then we're going to go ahead and crochet that passion twist bad boy in so we can get that individual passion twist installation look. So here I am doing it. And the key again is to put the plait through the actual loop of the passion twist. And that's how it comes out with that individual look. So I'm not going to actually do her entire head this way. I am going to do cornrows in the back, which you'll see me do in a minute. But I just want to show you guys one more time how to do this, because again, if you finesse this very well and do it exactly how I'm showing you, then yes, you will definitely come out with your crochet passion twist looking like they were individually put in, and it will look seamless, and it won't give you that bulky look that I know a lot of crochet hairstyles give you. So here we go. Last time showing you guys right here. Put it through. And I had a little trouble with this one, but I was able to push it through. Yeah, I got it. I'm looking like, wait a minute, did I get it? Yeah. All right, so now I'm going to literally just cornrow the back of her hair, and we'll just do the regular way of crocheting in the back, which you'll see me show you in just a moment in the video. But just go ahead and braid the back of the hair. You want to secure it, and I did want to show you guys at least the braid pattern that I did do with the back of her hair, because we definitely want to protect the hair. So I'll show you guys with one more cornrow on how I did these. And I definitely recommend making sure you moisturize your hair, put some grease and, you know, everything in it, because the key with protective hairstyles is you want to make sure your hair is also nice and moisturized, even though it's protected and, you know, it's put away. Definitely make sure you still grease them scalps, moisturize the hair, use some leave-in conditioner. It definitely is going to help with your hair growth. Just a tip I thought I would add. So at the end of the cornrows, I am connecting the braids, the plaits, as you see me doing here. And here is how it looked when I was completely done. So just regular straight back cornrows. And at the end, I connected all the plaits. So here we're going to start crocheting the hair. And again, this is just the regular way of crocheting it, but I still decided to show you guys just in case some people don't know how to do the regular crochet method. This time with the loop, I'm actually putting through the end of the passion twist. And here I go showing you again. You are sticking the needle through the actual braids and crocheting in the passion twist hair, pushing the end of the passion twist through the loop. And that's how you're securing the actual passion twist. So this is how I am doing it. Excuse me, you guys. And I'm going to let you guys just simply watch the remaining of this, because this part is definitely self-explanatory. But wait until you see the ending result, you guys. It turned out so cute. Again, I'm super duper obsessed. I've been watching you. I've been watching you. And once you are done with the installation of the crochet passion twist, you should have a nice full head of passion twist, and it should come out looking nice and natural. I'm going to show you guys a close-up of how it looks in the front. So when you do up hairstyles and all that, it should look super duper natural, like you literally install your passion twist handmade, not crochet. This looks so nice. I love the fullness of it. That's one thing about crochet hairstyles is you really, really can get a full hairstyle without putting in all the work of doing it, you know, the hairstyle one by one. So yeah, I'm kind of obsessed with these Crochet passion twists. I can't lie. This is my first time doing it, you guys, and I'm obsessed. I definitely want to do these on my hair. This is, of course, a young adult, and you can use these on your kids, which I really love as well. Look at that. This is the end. Look, 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 look. I love the color of this too. This color is T30. And I will, of course, have this hair linked down below. So if you want to purchase it, you can. I found this off of Amazon. And look at the close-up of this. You can't tell me this don't look like it was individually put in, you guys. Like, can't nobody change my mind. So yes, if you are interested, please let me know. If you have any questions, you know, just put it in the comments down below and I will definitely answer them for you. And please remember to like and subscribe to my video. Show your girls some love. I'm definitely going to come back with more Crockett styles because I'm obsessed with this look. And I definitely have to try these on my own hair. Like I got to see how these, I got to do them. I just have to do these, you guys. But thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed and stay safe out there, you guys. Again, thank you so much for watching my channel.